We also have brand new details tonight at 6 about the murder of a 6-year-old girl. The 14-year-old boy accused of killing her was in court just a couple of hours ago.
WSBT 22's Max Lewis was inside the courtroom for that hearing, and he joins us live at the Juvenile Justice Center. Max.
Yeah, Jen and Todd, we learned this 14-year-old boy is facing 3 charges. Those include murder, felony murder, and child molestation. And that last charge was really the big revelation today. The family did not know that he was being charged with that or that had happened. And you could see them, they were visibly upset and began to cry when the judge read that aloud. The 14-year-old boy did come into the courtroom handcuffed and shackled. He sat silent for most of the hearing, except when he told the judge that he did not understand why he was being charged with child molestation. Obviously, all of this in relation to the death of 6-year-old Grace Ross. She was found dead in a wooded area in New Carlisle less than 2 weeks ago. The 14-year-old accused of killing her was taken into custody immediately. We did not learn many new details today because the 14-year-old's lawyer asked the court to withhold the facts of the case from the public, at least for now. She said it would be prejudicial against her client, and because this case could possibly move to adult court, the family wants those details released, and the prosecutor says what they heard in the courtroom today was devastating for them.
It's just there's really no way to summarize that. I mean, it's heart-wrenching, and it's terrible for them, and quite frankly, it's not something that a burden that anybody should have to carry. But they're trying to do it with grace and dignity.
Now, the judge is taking arguments from both sides into consideration and will issue his ruling on whether or not details can be released at a later date. In the meantime, this 14-year-old boy is going to undergo a competency and psychological evaluation, and the prosecutor's office is going to use that to determine whether or not he should be charged as an adult. Grace Ross's family did speak with us briefly after this hearing. We'll tell you what they had to say coming up tonight at 10 and 11. Live at the Juvenile Justice Center, I'm Max Lewis, WSBT 22 News.